Hey guys, welcome back to Compare Core, your go-to place for honest tech reviews and product comparisons. Today, we're diving deep into the best VR headsets of 2025. Whether you're into gaming, fitness, or just exploring virtual worlds, I've got you covered. We're talking about the most powerful, most comfortable, and most worth your money VR headsets you can buy right now. So before you drop hundreds of dollars on your next headset, make sure you watch till the end, because some of these picks might surprise you. All right, let's jump straight into it with number 1. Number 1, Meta Quest 3. All right, guys, this one is an absolute game changer in the VR world. The color pass-through cameras let you clearly see your surroundings. It's almost like blending real life and virtual reality. Plus, that high-resolution display makes everything look insanely crisp, and the powerful Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 chip keeps everything running buttery smooth. It's also got a super comfortable design, so you can play for hours, well, until the short battery life kicks in. That's one of the few downsides here. And yeah, it doesn't have eye tracking, which some premium headsets do. But honestly, for the price, this thing still dominates. If you want to experience VR with zero cables, this is the headset to get. The picture's sharper, the field of view is wider, and it's just perfect for gamers or anyone jumping into VR without spending thousands on a PC setup. The Meta Quest 3, the best standalone headset of 2025, hands down. Number 2, the Sony PlayStation VR2. All right, this one takes console VR gaming to a whole new level. The graphics and sound are absolutely next-gen. You'll feel like you're inside the game. And with eye-tracking technology, this headset doesn't just watch what you play, it reacts to where you look. That's seriously cool. The OLED display gives you stunning visuals with 2000 by 2040 pixels per eye, all running at a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Plus, it's lightweight and super easy to set up, so you can jump right in without the hassle. Now, it's not perfect. It's not compatible with the old PSVR games, which kinda sucks. And at around $600, it's not exactly cheap. But if you've got a PlayStation 5 and you want the most immersive VR experience available on console right now, this is it. The PlayStation VR2 is sleek, powerful, and packed with features that make every gaming session feel next level. Number 3, the Valve Index VR Kit. Now this one's for the hardcore PC gamers out there. The Valve Index isn't just about visuals, it's about immersion. And that's thanks to its finger tracking controllers. Yeah, you heard that right. These things actually track each finger movement so you can literally see your hands move in VR. It's wild. You're also getting crisp graphics with a 1600 by 1440 resolution per eye and a 120 Hz refresh rate, keeping every motion silky smooth. Whether you're diving into Half-Life Alyx or exploring other Steam VR titles, this headset feels next level. Now the downsides, it's pricey, and since it's tethered, you'll have a few cables hanging around, which can be annoying during intense gameplay. But when it comes to performance, accuracy, and immersion, this thing delivers big time. So, if you're a PC gamer looking for a premium VR setup and want the best controllers in the game, the Valve Index VR Kit is absolutely worth checking out. Number 4, the Apple Vision Pro. All right, this one's not just a headset. Apple calls it a spatial computer, and honestly, that description fits. The Vision Pro is hands down the most advanced AR/VR device we've seen so far. You get eye and hand tracking so precise you don't even need controllers. Just look, pinch, and boom, it reacts instantly. With over 23 million pixels across its stunning display, everything looks insanely sharp and vibrant. Plus, the video pass-through is so clear you'll forget you're wearing a headset. Powered by the Apple M2 chip and running on Vision OS, it's packed with apps and features designed for both productivity and entertainment. Now let's be real, this beast costs $3,500, and it's a bit front-heavy with short battery life. But if you've got the budget and want the most premium AR/VR experience available right now, the Apple Vision Pro is absolutely in a league of its own. It's Apple's first step into the future of mixed reality, and it's a bold one. Number 5. The HTC Vive Pro 2. If you're chasing next-level visuals and virtual reality, this headset is a total powerhouse. The Vive Pro 2 delivers the sharpest resolution in VR gaming. That's 2448 by 2448 pixels per eye, giving you crystal-clear detail that makes every world feel alive. It's built for serious gamers and professionals, offering smooth 120Hz motion tracking and full Steam VR compatibility. You can even pair it with Valve Index controllers for the ultimate experience. Plus, HTC's VivePort Infinity service gives you unlimited access to tons of VR games and experiences for just a few bucks a month. Now here's the catch. It's expensive, starting around $1,300, and you'll need your own base stations and controllers. But if you've got the setup and the specs, the Vive Pro 2 delivers the cleanest, most immersive visuals you can get in consumer VR today. This one's for the true enthusiasts who want nothing but the best. And that wraps up our list of the best VR headsets of 2025. From the powerful Meta Quest 3 to the ultra-premium Apple Vision Pro, there's something here for every kind of gamer and tech lover. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to CompareCore for more deep dive reviews and honest comparisons just like this one. Drop a comment below and tell me, which VR headset would you go for in 2025? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay sharp, stay curious, and keep exploring the future in VR.